Today I'm going to show you how to make a drawing from activity 131B. Okay, so this is the whole block you see here. There's the front view. I'm going to click on, I need a projected view. So I'm going to create a projected view on the right. I'm going to click on projected view. Oops, I turned it off. Click it again. Click it, turn it on. And there's a top view. Now I'm going to right click on the front view. First I have to turn off the projected. I'm going to right click and I'm going to show hidden lines. I'll do the same in the right view. Show hidden lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. I'm going to go ahead and add whole notes. Right here, whole call out. They call it a whole call out. Whole call out. So I'm going to click the whole. There we go. And notice it provides all the information we need about that particular hole. The type of the hole, which is counterbore, diameters, depth, etc. This is the countersink. This is also another counterbore hole. And then this is just a straight through hole. Next, I want to add center points for each of them. So I'm going to click on center mark. And I'm going to click on the circle. You don't click on the center, just click on the circle. And that will go ahead and add a center mark. Next, I'm going to go ahead and, oops, I forgot to put an isometric view. So let me click on projected view. Click the front. And now I'll click up here at the top. That makes it isometric. Now I'm going to right click on it. On the isometric one, oops, I have to turn off the projected. I'm going to right click the isometric and I'm going to hide hidden lines and I'm going to right click and I'm going to show shaded view so that way it's shaded. And now I'm going to go ahead and add center lines. So I'm going to click on, I always prefer center line bisector, edge to edge center line. Sorry, it's called edge to edge center line. I'm going to click this hidden line and the next hidden line. All right, and I'm going to do the same thing with these two. So it puts a center line in between. Now I need to go ahead and just add dimensions. I'll just hit D for dimension. And I'll put the left side. That gives me the height. I'll put the width. So I'll put it in the middle. I'm going to put the width in the top view. Now, I'm just going to hit escape to get out of that. We don't really need the right view here. So I'm going to click the right view and I'm going to delete it. Hit the delete key. There we go. Now I still need to go ahead and dimension where these holes are. So I'll click on the dimension and I'm going to click on the bottom and also this center mark. There we go. So that shows us that it's 1 inch. Next, I need to go ahead and do the dimensions for each of the holes where the center marks are. So I'm going to click the left edge. And there's the first one. And I'm going to, each one of them is 1 inch between them. So I'm going to go ahead and 1 inch for each of them. You can see I'm putting numbers on top of numbers. I'll go ahead and fix that afterwards. I'll move stuff around. Okay. Now I'll hit escape because I'm done with that. Now I need to kind of give myself a little bit more room. So let's see if I can move this one down. Click out here where so I can highlight. Oops, missed it. When you see that box on the outside, that allows me to go ahead and move the view down. And I'm also going to see if I can scooch it over to the right a little bit. That'll give me some more room to work with. And then now I can go ahead and I can go ahead and see if I can move these out of the way so that they're not on top of each other. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's that one. I'm going to move this one. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right. So I think we're done. So that's how to go ahead and dimension and make a drawing for activity 131B number 2.